Hello, friends. Today I'm going to discuss about some of my trading techniques that I used to apply uh, now in day trading, intraday trading and swing trading, or you can say positional trading. So, uh, before that, I'll talk about some, something helpful, something helpful to you. So let me uh, let me uh, give me some intro of my previous trading life. So I'm trading uh, more than 15 years in this market, in Indian market. So I used to invest uh, 10 to 15 more than 10 years ago. I used to invest in stocks. So then I didn't have any idea of technical analysis. I did some, fundamental research, and on the basis of fundamental research, news-based, news article, or uh, at that time, uh, one of one of the legend investor, Mr. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala. He used to invest in Indian market. So Rakesh Jhunjhunwala is no doubt my favorite investor. So I used to follow him on regular basis. So whenever I heard some news that he is going to invest in some stocks, so I go after that and invest it. In this way, I never try to figure out or try to investigate whether whether he you know invest invested in that stocks or not. I never going to invest. I never done research. So I used to follow him, and that way I trapped many cheap quality stocks. Mm, without doing any fundamental or technical research, because I didn't know nothing about this thing. I used to heard, you know, uh, invest based on rumors, suppose many times. So two stocks I have, I I found that two stocks were good at that time. One is Ruchi Soya, and another was Brightcom Group. So I invested in those stocks, and the two stocks were luckily luckily uh, become became multi-bagger, and I earned huge amount. So I invested several stocks that were losers at that time. So I sold them all out and started investing in you know not investing, trading in F&O market, mainly future and option market. So uh, hit I I have burned my finger also on trading. So I started using technical um, indicators, you know, technical chart with various types of indicators and oscillators, and at that time my chart chart was looking, horrible looks. So, but I didn't get that kind of success, lead success. So I started started learning some you know, technical study. But uh, nothing, nothing uh, have gave me that kind of results. So I heard about uh, one technical system, you know, charting system, that is Ilio-Boevian principle or Ilio-Boev theory. So I started uh, learning from one of my cousin. He used to, but I didn't get much more clarity. So I found out uh, one person, gentleman. He's a renowned, you know, uh, renowned practitioner, a leader practitioner, and I learned many things from him. So I now use. I I don't have. Uh, I have a, I I have respect. I have respect for all technical, indicators and oscillators, but I don't find them very useful in my trading. So because they are all lagging type, it form after market is over. So I thought that I should uh, I should master one technique and not going, you know, look after going after, uh, you know, going after one setup to another setup without getting much, impatiently. So now, so today I'm going to some insight of my analysis. So um, but now I'm going to add this. Okay. So uh, this is, this is a move from 16,000. It's a Nifty chart, 1 hour chart. This is this low is, at this point, this low is 16,775 around, and it went up to, uh, you know 18,800. Uh, you can say 18,900 level. So from there it started falling. So started falling, and it went up to, this is this is the Fibonacci ratio, 70%, point 70, you can say 70.7%. From this point, it's going up. It's going up. So I'll remove this, uh, you know, uh, Fibo chart. So, so uh, you see, you see, it's going up, and I think it will at least it will go up to, so I'm expecting it up to this level, at least 961. Oh, 961 is already reached. So that next level is 18,136. This is the level I'm expecting, next expecting. So today actually, mm, so let me here feature. Today I'll go. Now I'm going to 5 minute chart, because 5 minute chart is for interest trade. 5 minute chart is, mm, you can always uh, go to, first you go to day chart, then 1 hour chart, and for trading you can look for 5 minute chart. So 5 minute chart today, uh, you know I I uh, bought a call here, Nifty call, Nifty, you know, 7,900 color. So I saw that it gave a breakout, and so I thought that it will go up and up to this level. So, mm, but after you know buying this call option, it 50 started coming down. So in this level, I you know I've got out from this from that call in this level, and it went down up to this level, and again it started uh, going up. It started going up, but I have drawn a trend line at upper portion. So when I find that it failed to go beyond this trend line, I bought a put option, and it went down here, and then again uh, it has gone up to this level, failed to uh, you know uh, go beyond this level, went below beyond this level, and I was uh, still holding that put, and it went here. I thought that this is a support area, horizontal support area. So uh, in this position, uh, I I have got out from that put, and mm, uh, I'm looking or watching the market. So then from this level, it was around 12 o'clock. So I have work to do. So I shut the chart and went out. So, and after that, I've just uh, see the I've seen the chart, and this is break the you know trend line, and it's holding the trend line. And tomorrow, I think tomorrow we can see a bullish market. Okay, let's see what happens next. Thank you. Okay.